Hi, good evening. It's 10 degrees here in Tom Price. Napakalamig. Pero nag-crave kami ni Craig ng ice cream. Kita namin to sa Kohl's. $10 lang siya. Naka-sale. Apat na siya. Vanilla, cookies and cream, Belgian chocolate, caramel biscuit and cream. Craig is with me.
Yeah, I'm having this one.
What's that?
Belgian
that's your
chocolate.
favorite.
Yep.
Do you have a spoon?
Yep, I do. Can I finish it?
Yeah, sure, of course. Yummy?
Yeah.
Gusto ko pa rin itong caramel. Of course, it's just a simple vanilla. But we can put... Do we still have strawberry syrup?
I'll go check. I'm sorry, Cook.
Coco can have the vanilla. Okay, so sa kanilang apat, ang pinaka-bet ko, yung caramel biscuit and cream. Si Craig naman, ang nagustuhan niya yung Belgian chocolate. Sandaling-sandali lang ubos. So yun lang po. Bye-bye! Happy Saturday!